We're going to measure 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Two tablespoons. And then we'll add our vinegar. This is 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 clove of garlic. I'm going to peel and press this garlic. You can peel a garlic very easily by, with the flat of the knife, pushing down just to squash it. If you don't have a nice flat knife like that, you could even use something like this to crush it, a jelly jar, anything that's sturdy that's not going to break. You can crush it and then see how nicely the garlic peel comes off. And you could chop this if you don't have a garlic press. You could just chop it up. I'm going to use a garlic press, and you just put it right into the press and squeeze it right out. And then you can scrape it all in there nicely. Okay, and then our last ingredient is the olive oil, and we're using 3/4 cups of olive oil. So wants to come out slowly here. Okay, we'll add that on it. Now you can beat that with a fork like this to incorporate it. I like to pour it into a cruet or another nice tight container that isn't going to leak. Yep. I make sure we get all our salt. The salt tends to want to sit on the bottom. Get all your salt in there. And put the cap on the cruet nice and tight, something that isn't going to leak, and shake it up. And that'll help emulsify the oil and the vinegar together, and it'll hold together better. And that's what your dressing looks like. Now it's good to let this sit for, about a half an hour or so. Let the flavors meld. The oregano will soften up. It's a dried oregano. And the garlic and the vinegars, you want it to all kind of sit and let the flavors meld.